How to change your Discord password if you forgot it on mobile. This tutorial shows you how to reset it through the browser, since the app itself won't let you reset a forgotten password directly. First, open the Discord app on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon and go to Settings. After that, tap Account. At this point, under How you sign into your account, tap Password. You'll notice there's no option here to change the password without already knowing your current one, so this route won't work if you've forgotten it. Following this, go back and take note of the email address linked to your account before continuing. From here, open your browser instead and go to discord.com/app. At this stage, this takes you directly to the login screen. Following this, tap Forgot Password. From here, Discord will send a reset email to the address on your account. At this stage, open your email and tap the reset link to set a new password. If you have your Discord password saved in your browser or a password manager, the process looks a little different. Following this, in that case, the link will simply say tap to reset with no password required. From here, view your saved password within your browser or password manager after resetting. At this stage, update that saved password to match your new one. Following this, go back to the Discord app and log in using your new password. That's how you change your Discord password if you forgot it on mobile. If this helped, drop a like, subscribe.